Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. In one of my previous videos, I showed how to edge and line up with the King C Gillette safety razor and transparent shave gel. I had a couple comments there and it said, Steve Hayes said, is the transparent gel for shaping only, or can this be used for a clean shave? And then the Lonely Ranter asked, will you have a full shave with the gel as well? Well, yes I will. Tell you what, as a matter of fact, what I'll do is I'll perform a complete shave from soup to nuts, as they say, start to finish. I will, number one, use the King C Gillette beard and face wash. So we will clean the face and then we will prepare the face. I will use Taylor Bond Street Luxury Shave Gel. This is designed for sensitive skin. We will prepare the face for the shave with this. And then I will use the shave gel, transparent shave gel, for the complete shave. And then after that, we'll finish up with the soft beard balm to condition and protect the face. I'll take you through the 4-step process. Keep in mind, it doesn't have to be the King C Gillette line of products. It could be any other quality line of products that'll get you to your final destination of a baby smooth shave. You can see I've got a pretty decent beard growth here, and the razor I'll use, the King C Gillette safety razor, double-edged safety razor. Let's disassemble it. I've got a blade in here from my previous shave, which is the King C Gillette blade right here. I'm going to remove that blade. I'm not going to use that blade this time. I'm going to put that off to the side, and I'm going to load it up with a feather blade, which is a sharper blade. Here it is, right over the post and the 2 pins like so, and then reassemble the razor, top cap to safety bar, and then screw the handle on clockwise. All right, now we're ready to rock and roll with the shave. I'm going to warm up my face and we'll get right to it. All right, as you can see, my face is red. The hot water brings the blood to the surface of the skin. The first step will be to clean the face. A few squirts of this right in the fingertips. This is the beard and face wash. Massage that, work that into the beard. Here you'll be cleaning your face, removing any dirt. An important step to a complete shave. Just work that in thoroughly. Cleanse the face. Let's rinse that off. We have cleaned the face. Step 1 is complete. Now step 2, prepare for the shave. A little bit of this pre-shave in the fingertips, like so. Massage that directly into the beard. This will soften the beard, hydrate the whiskers, prepare it for the shave ahead. Massage that in thoroughly to all the areas you plan on shaving. Step 2 is complete. The beard is prepared for the shave. Now we will use the transparent shave gel. A little bit of that in the fingertips, like so. Massage that right into the beard. And if you massage it in well enough, you can almost work it into a cream. Once it turns white, almost like a cream. This also soften the beard, soften the whiskers, prepare them to be removed by the super sharp double-edged safety razor blade. Okay, now we're ready for the shave. Dry the fingers before you pick up the sharp razor. All right, here's the razor. We'll just temper it under the hot water. Warm it up a bit, and we'll start with the shave. Step 1 and 2 are complete. The face has been cleaned and prepared for the shave, and the shaving gel has been applied and worked into a cream almost. We'll cut the sideburn right here. Perpendicular, tilt slightly upward like so. Cut that sideburn. Work your way down. Now the left side. Cut that sideburn. The gel is starting to dissipate, but the conditioning is still there. You may not see it, but it's still very slick. Very nice, smooth, very good. Let's rinse that off. Now the mustache area, just scoop right under the nose. Now rinse off and feel around your face. If you're smooth enough and you're happy with your shave, you're done. You're done with your shave, ready to go about your day. You could apply your protective balm and move on, but I will perform one more pass. A little bit more gel in the whoa, got a few bubbles there. A little bit more gel in the fingertips. Massage that in. You can see it doesn't foam up as much now because it doesn't have the friction because most of the beard is already gone. Okay, that first pass was with the grain, north to south. Now I'll go across the grain. Same angle, starting this way, going across. Again, you don't see the gel, but it's definitely there. Backhand. Rinse that off. Now against the grain on the neck area. Beautiful. Now across the mustache, just use the edge under the nose, clean that area, and then lay it flat and go across. Now feel around again, rinse off. If your face is smooth enough, you are definitely done with your shave. If not, you can perform one more pass, go across the grain in the other direction. I went from ear to nose, you can go from nose to ear. But I'm pretty smooth right now. What I am going to do, I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel on these cheeks, right here, just a little bit, and massage that in. And if you wanna get your cheeks baby smooth, this is the way, right here. Start with the rounded portion of the head on your skin and tilt the handle slightly up. It's called riding the cap. And just go upward like this. This gets you a baby smooth glass-like finish. Right there. Super smooth. Same thing this way. Perfect. Now let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block. While the face is still wet, just saturate this under the cold water and glide that all around the face. This is alum. It's a natural product. It comes from the earth. It's a stone. Will seal off your skin, close off your pores. An excellent finish to the shave. If you happen to get any small nicks, this will seal them off as well. Very cool and refreshing. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse that off with cold water. Pat the face dry. Now the final step, we will apply some soft beard balm. It's conditioner. Remove the cap, just a little bit in the fingertips. Doesn't take too much. Massage that together. Work it right into the beard. Fold your towel in half and you can air dry your face like this. Feels great. So that does it. A complete shave from soup to nuts, as they say. When you have a little bit of extra time, this is the way you want to do it. Get yourself baby smooth. If you have a special event, take a little extra time, really enjoy the shave. 4-step process: clean, prepare, shave, and protect. And it doesn't have to be the King C Gillette line of products. It could be any other quality brand. You can get the job done just as well, maybe even better. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I go, please click that subscribe button and then click the bell in the upper corner and then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.